Well, a beautiful day today. We have beautiful weather, but besides that, we had a very beautiful conference. The participation was very lively. We have lots of people from the CMC.
Day was wonderful. A lot of very interesting discussions on various topics around CMC and regulatory strategies. Very informative.
Day has been excellent, and definitely, this is my first time coming to this conference. So it was a new experience, I would say, compared to the other conferences I have attended so far.
Day's been very good. Been very interactive. I've learned a lot about the processes from discovery all the way through development and things we need to look forward to and advance before we move into the clinic solving issues. So it's been really nice, and also meeting a lot of great people.
It's the first time I've been to a conference where there are roundtable discussions, very interactive kind of feedback across folks from different industry, bringing in different challenges, different issues, and obviously people are sharing their thoughts and approaches on getting a resolution.
Sessions were really very interactive and very lively. I have also participated in several, roundtable discussions, and the discussion was really very good.
I found them very useful and very informative, where I can share my insight but learn from others. But here the dominating part was the group discussion, and that's what I loved a lot. That we can choose the topic and then have the insight or learning we want to get from those discussion points. So that was, I think, really amazing.
Roundtable is great. So I think that is more like problem, issue-oriented roundtable discussions. I think, a lot of people are willing to share their experience in the field. And I think that's something that we also learn, based on the experience that they have. I think this is great opportunities, to kind of discuss with the peers. They were very informative. There was a lot of good participation from all the participants, good discussions we had, and hopefully all the participants were able to walk away with some very good knowledge outputs.
Very engaging, very intimate. The sessions were really good. I got to meet a lot of the key leaders, opinion leaders here in the field in Boston. And it was really nice to see the openness and the frankness that people had to discuss their programs and the issues and out in the open work together to solve.
Day was great. All the on-site coordination was wonderful. Never had to worry about anything. One-on-one meetings were great. Everything was completely on time, and we had very productive meetings today.
The one-to-one meetings are good. Actually you make the effort that one meetings are arranged, and you have been talking to people who may have some interest on what we are offering, or we have also people who don't have anything but would like to hear from us. And I think it was a good thing. Instead of to have people randomly, this is just a little bit organized, and people who are coming to us one by one, targeted type of discussion. I like that too.
In general, I think it was good. We had some CMC folks, we had some API folks, we had some drug substance folks. So I think for our particular company, it was the right people to talk to that would be interested in our offerings.
The levels of the attendees, I've seen a lot of VPs and directors and across. I think it's C-suite to core team members. So I think everybody brings in their own challenges, their own perspectives, and I think getting feedback top down was definitely valuable.
We have, I think, different type of people, from different companies. CMC, I have seen also people in early stage, late stage development, companies who have their own products, and consultants. So that was pretty diverse.
I think it is perfect blend of different big pharma, small companies, startups, as well as people from different cross-functional aspect of product development. So I find it perfect blend.
Yeah, I think diversity of the attendees are great. I think that is coming from process developments, analytical developments, regulatory affairs. I think this kind of sum up with the CMC field. And it's great diversity here. You can discuss a lot of issues, your problems, your issues, from your work. So it's great. I think it's very diverse. It's good to see
There is a whole lot of expertise in different areas, as well as a number of diverse companies around here in Boston or other companies where people have come from.
Up very well. There's a lot of diverse people here, all different modalities, different aspects, from small biotechs to large pharma, and biologics to small molecules, and there's a lot of crosstalk between them and a lot of learning between them as well. So it's a really good venue for that.
I thought that the one-on-one and networking was great. We had enough time to meet with everyone, and then we also had the chance to network with people outside of the sessions. We were the only exhibitor here today, so everyone stopped by the booth. We had good giveaways, and then we were able to chat with people in between sessions, so that was great.
I think it's amazing. Everybody were so receptive in terms of sharing their information, connecting with us, and sharing their knowledge. So I found it an excellent platform to network with everybody.
Joining the peers here, discuss the CMC strategy, a lot of bottlenecks that we face in the field. So this is a great opportunity, also networking with people with the same field. So it's a great.
Networking opportunities were great. We had some breaks and lunch breaks and tea breaks. So essentially it was a good opportunity to meet with various people.
Absolutely.
We would definitely come back again.
Absolutely. I've been coming to this over the last 5 or 6 years, so I will hope to continue.
Of course. I'll come back, and I'm really looking forward to the next session.
I will come back again, definitely. This session is a different kind of conference. It's more of interactive and ideas exchanges.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think we're going to come back next year in a bigger way. I think, meeting these people and interacting with them and then letting them know who we are and how we can help them has been very valuable, and vice versa. So we'll definitely be back.
I'm definitely gonna come back. I'm willing to also give my experience to peers. So I think this is a great opportunity to share. Again, sharing is caring. So I think sharing your experience with the peers is like most important things in the field.